Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to convert ETH to USDT on Gate.io. So for converting ETH to USDT, first you need to open Gate.io at your PC on your browser. Once Gate.io is open, then you need to scroll down and then here you have the option of ETH. Just click on it. If you haven't find this option, then you have this search bar. Just search for ETH. Once you click on ETH, then this type of page will appear on your screen. Then here on the left corner, you can see ETH/USDT. Then at least wait for 10 to 20 seconds and then this type of page will appear on your screen. Here what you need to do, just scroll down and here you find three options: transfer, convert and deposit. So you need to tap on convert. Once you click on this convert button, then this type of page will appear on your screen. Here you can see by default they give you two cryptos, USDT and BTC. At the front of BTC you can see this small arrow. Just click on it. Once you click on it, then some cryptos will appear and you have this search bar. By using this search bar, just search for ETH and then click on it. Once you done this, then you have this converted button. Just tap on it. Now here you can see ETH changes the place from receive to spend and USD changes the place from spend to receive. So here you need to enter the amount of ETH which you want to spend, and by default they give you the amount of USDT which you will have to receive. Once you done this, then at the bottom you have the option of enter the amount. Just click on it. So this way you can easily convert ETH to USDT. If you found this video helpful, leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press bell icon. If you have any question related to it, leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching.